Hi guys, welcome to today's session. Thank you all for your responses on yesterday. And our yesterday's quiz question was, which court is established by San Francisco Conference? And it is International Court of Justice ICJ, which is established by San Francisco Conference. That is the right answer. Let's now start today's session. First question for the day with reference to Central Zoo Authority CZA. Consider the following statements. Statement 1, it is a statutory body chaired by the Prime Minister. Statement 2, every zoo in the country must obtain recognition from CZA for its operation. Which of the above statements is are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, and option D neither 1 nor 2. Guys, the correct answer here is it is option B 2 only. Statement 1 is wrong. The CZA is a statutory body under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. It was constituted in 1992 under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. It is chaired by Environment Minister and has 10 members and a member secretary. The main objective of the authority is to complement and strengthen the national effort in conservation of rich biodiversity. The authority provides recognition to zoos and is also tasked with regulating the zoos across the country. It lays down guidelines and prescribes rules under which animals may be transferred among zoos nationally and internationally. It coordinates and implements programs on capacity building of zoo personnel, planned breeding programs, and ex situ research. So that is about the Central Zoo Authority. We'll now move to second question for the day. Second question is Prerak Daur Samman, recently seen in the news, is related to option A Swachh Survekshan 2020, option B Indira Gandhi Peace Prize, option C Renewable Energy, and option D Civil Services Awards. Yes, the correct answer here is it is related with Swachh Survekshan 2020, option A. The Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs announced a new category of awards titled Prerak Daur Samman as part of Swachh Survekshan. And this Samman has total of 5 subcategories. One is Divya, that is platinum, Anupam gold, and Ujjwal, that is silver, Udit, that is bronze, and Arohi, that is aspiring, with the top 3 cities being recognized in each category. And in a departure from present criteria of evaluating cities on population category, this new category will categorize cities on the basis of 6 select indicator-wise performance criteria, which are: one is segregation of waste into wet, dry, and hazard categories. Second is processing capacity against wet waste generated. Third is processing and recycling of wet and dry waste. Construction and demolition waste processing, percentage of waste going to landfills, and sanitation status of cities. So these are the 6 indicators in which the performance of the cities are measured. So that is about Prerak Daur Samman. Please note this, it is very important. And we'll now move to the last question for the day. Last question is, which among the following serves as the trustee of Global Environment Facility? Option A UNEP, option B World Bank, option C UNFCCC, and option D IUCN. Guys, the correct answer here is World Bank is the trustee of GEF. So our answer is option B. GEF is an independently operating financial organization. It is a multilateral financial mechanism that provides grants to developing countries for projects that benefit global environment and promote sustainable livelihood in local communities. It was set up as a fund under World Bank in 1991, and in 1992 at the Rio Earth Summit, the GEF was restructured and moved out of World Bank system to become a permanent separate institution. And since 1994, however, the World Bank has served as a trustee of GEF Trust Fund and provided administrative services. It is based in Washington, D.C., and the GEF serves as financial mechanism for Convention on Biological Diversity, UNFCCC, UNCCD, and Stockholm Convention on Persistent Organic Pollutants, Minamata Convention on Mercury. And so for these all, GEF serves as a financial mechanism, and India is both a donor and a recipient of GEF. So it is an important fact. And that's it. That's about GEF. And guys, our today's quiz question is: there is a treaty of African nations which prohibiting the import of any hazardous waste. So which is that treaty? Please post your answers in the comment section. That's all for today, guys. We'll meet tomorrow with another set of questions. Please post your scores also in the comment section. Thank you for watching.